All right. William Parlier, bond hearing. Oh, there he is. Okay. Good afternoon. This is Judge Alyssa Perez resuming the criminal docket for the 210th District Court for April 19th, 2022. Again, all matters being heard today are being heard in accordance with all emergency orders and directives regarding COVID-19. In addition to that, we are streaming all matters live via YouTube for public viewing. Mr. Madoffo, would you call our next case, please?
In cause number 2021-0D01394, State of Texas versus William Parlier. Announcement of council, please.
Roa King for the state of Texas.
Alyssa Nava on behalf of Mr. Parlier, Your Honor, and we're ready to proceed.
And we are scheduled for a bond hearing. Ms. Nava, you may proceed.
So, Your Honor, and it was kind of twofold because I know that we're set for both the bond hearing and a final plea deadline as well. And so ADA King, and I did receive an email from her this morning. However, I had a contested hearing today, so I was unable to respond. One of the issues when trying to decide whether we were going to plea or not was the amount of restitution. Initially, the complaining witness had said that it would be $20,000. It's my understanding now from the email, there was just things from inside the truck that were stolen that she doesn't have a receipt for and would want to stipulate to a amount of restitution for $500. I haven't had an opportunity to talk to my client about that. I know my client is indigent, has $0 in his bank account, so I don't even know if that would be possible. I know if he did plead to probation, he'd have an opportunity to try to pay that back. And I'm not sure what items she's alleging were stolen from the vehicle.
So he's been to TDC before, right?
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
And they've made two offers. So they've made an offer for 6 months state jail or a probation officer for 20 months. I've discussed both of those with him. I don't know if the restitution is going to be an issue if he does accept the state jail time, if they're going to want him to pay that in advance, which he's not going to be able to do.
Yeah. I'll just be, I don't know if we're going to hit the bond hearing or not. I don't know if that's where you're going with this, but I'll just say this. I'm not inclined to take a probation rec on Mr. Parlier. So just throwing that out there. But if you want to proceed on your bond hearing, Ms. Navarre, were you going to tell me no, based on the new rec, you need a minute, or you want to go ahead on your bond hearing?
I was going to see if I could have a minute just to let him know what the restitution is, because I know that was something that was holding us up, thinking it was somewhere near 20,000.
Sure. Okay.